Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today that is 29th August 2022. So we have taken three trades and three trades are from three different sectors. So the first trade we'll be discussing. So that is LIC Housing Finance. See, I have taken a trade in housing finance after formation of this red bearish candle. So after formation of 11 a.m. candle, so you can see it in a 15 minutes time frame. So after formation of this red candle, I thought of taking an entry. So it's completely a bearish candle, right? And here if you see, so at the same level it got rejected twice. Here it got rejected once, here it got rejected, and the second here it got rejected. Two swings are formed, so along with the huge volumes. See, here it rejected, here also it got rejected with a good amount of volumes. So based on this, I went on to take entry, and my entry price was at 395, 395, and it got executed around 1120. Yeah, so in this candle, trade got executed. So my entry price was at 395. Uh, Stop loss was at high of this candle. So that is, I have placed my stop loss as 396.50, somewhere here. Uh, this I have put as my stop loss. That is a 396.50. And the traded volumes are less in housing finance, because of which, so when I placed this 396.50, so it did not exit at this point, so it exited at 396.65. So you should also be careful about the number of volumes. There should be good amount of people participating, the buyers and sellers, so or else such kind of stuff happens. So I have told you, right, I have taken three trades. The three trades, same thing repeated. So let's discuss the second trade. So that is IndusInd Bank. So I went on to the short side. So my entry was at 1.6. I have taken my entry at 1.6. So where is this? Yeah, so in this candle my trade got executed, and uh, my entry price was at 1055. So it got executed at 1.6. Entry price was at 1055, and the stop loss I have placed as 1058, where at high of this swing I have placed my stop loss 1058. So the reason for placing stop loss at this place is that here you can see huge volumes here, and here put amount of volumes with the bearish candles. So taking this as a reference, so I went on to the short side, and the reason for also taking short side is because market was in sideways. So if you check banking sector, see here it was completely in sideways, and as IndusInd Bank was also in the same phase, but I came across a good amount of volumes with good bearish candles. So because of which I went on to the short side. So here also it hit my stop loss. So my stop loss was at 1058 and it got triggered at 150. 111150. So in this candle, my trade got triggered. So it hit my stop loss in this candle. So that is at 150 candle. So after that also you can see up down, up down, up down. Yeah, and the last trade is UPL trade. So it's a completely wrong trade. I mean to say it's a wrong trade for me. I did not take it consciously. After formation of this red candle, so I had a thought of taking a short position. So clearly to say UPL is a wrong trade. So I'll just say my entry and stop loss points. So entry price was at 753. 753. Let's see in a 5 minutes time frame. Entry price was at 753 around 12:01 p.m. Yeah, so in this candle, trade got executed. 753. Yeah, so it has touched 753, and my exit stop loss was at 754.50. So entry and exit, I think uh, in a single candle, my entry and exit, sorry, entry and stop loss both hit in a single candle. So this is completely a wrong trade. Without a proper analysis, I have taken this. See here, it formed a swing low. Uh, I took this as a resistance, considering this as resistance, but I did not make proper analysis. Yeah, so UPL is completely a wrong trade. So yeah, that is all for today. See you in the next video.